Sacchitanand Uttekar of Tradebulls is joining us now on the show. Sacchitanand, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. Well, we are slightly off from the highs, but still there's nothing to complain considering that Nifty is still up around 100 odd points. What do you think will the next move on the Nifty be? Will we consolidate around these levels, or the last 1 hour of trading session will prove to be very different from what we are seeing right now?
Good afternoon, Sonal. Sonal, absolutely right. And I think, the way Nifty has been holding on to the support area around 18,000, I think there's a good, headroom which is still available on the higher side. What we're expecting is that the Nifty should scale towards the 20-day exponential moving average, which is placed around 18,060, and eventually extend its move towards 18,100 during the day. So I think the constituents are doing well. We have LNT, which is scaling near its 52 or lifetime high. We have HUL, which has been doing good. The HDFCs have already seen a good short covering rally. So probably it could be Reliance, which could start contributing from here on. And that's why we believe that the Nifty could scale towards that 18,100 mark during the day. So we are advising long positions when it comes to Nifty. The stop loss should be placed at around 17,920 from here on, and the intraday target could be somewhere close to 18,100.
Sacchitanand, while we wait for more details for Bank of India, what would your overall call be on the PSU banks?
Ekta, I think already they have displayed a very strong rally, and if you look at the data from December itself, we are seeing more of profit booking. If you look at the PSU index, Nifty PSU index itself, we are seeing a good amount of divergence on the weekly scale, wherein the index is failing to sustain near that 4,500 mark. So even right now, if we see an extended move due to the result season, probably that particular extended move may not sustain, and probably we may see more of distribution, going forward. So right now, it is better to book some profits when it comes to PSUs and wait for a decline to re-enter.
Okay, so you are advising to quickly book profits in the PSU banking space. Quickly, Sacchitanand, can you tell us what are your individual technical picks?
Well, Sonal, I think the major contribution should be from Reliance, and that's why we believe that after a 4 days decline, we are seeing signs of a positive divergence when it comes to its 30 minutes data. We are expecting a quick bounce back towards that 2500, 2520 kind of a zone. So we are advising building long positions when it comes to Reliance with a stop loss at 2455 for a target of around 2520. And on the sell side, I think M&M Financials has broken down from below its 15-day support zone of around 230. If you look at the opening itself, it's a classic open eye formation. The negative crossover on its 5 and 20 is compelling us that there could be fresh momentum which would be generated and can be continued. So for a target for around 222, fresh shots are advised in M&M Financials with a stop loss at 233.
Okay, all right, Sacchitanand, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us.